David 26 traffic. Broadway and 161 with Adam X-Ray 64 Sam, Nissan Altima. Temple, I believe they're fleeing from me. Temple, we're going northbound on 161. I repeated unconfirmed insurance, speeds at 45 miles per hour, light traffic.
Get out! Get out! Zoom. Turn right on, turn right on.
We got high risk. Driver! Exit the vehicle! Only the driver! Throw the keys outside the vehicle, driver.
You're on channel 1.
That's tip one. Driver, exit the vehicle.
All right.
Driver, exit the vehicle.
He said he can get that out. So that's where he go put it. Ask him if there's anybody in the car.
Don't need that at this point.
Okay.
State 19. Driver, stay where you are. Let's see. Driver, is this you in that car?
He can't hear you.
Somebody that got ears. Driver, roll out the window. Come out the window. Stand up. I got it. Turn around, face away, come on. Hey, stay away. Head straight up. Walk straight backward. Walk backward. Keep walking. Head straight up. Keep walking.
He coming to Mustang. I'm gonna go hands.
Keep walking. We're gonna go hands. Keep walking.
I'm going.
Hey, keep your firearm on the car.
Yeah.
Coop.
All right, stop, driver.
Yeah, Coop, hold along on him.
Steps
All
to the right. Now walk backwards. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep walking. Keep coming back to the sound of my voice. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep going.
Keep going.
Go down to the knees. Passenger, nigga.
We got passenger. We got passenger.
Passenger, exit the vehicle.
I see Beastin up there.
Yeah.
Come out with your
Come out with your hands up.
Now turn away from us
and
walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Keep coming. Keep walking. Keep coming. Keep coming.
I'll go hands.
Yep. Keep coming. Hey, give me one more over here. Keep coming.
You stay lead, I'm going hands.
Now go down to your knees, ma'am. Down to your knees. I got
We got you covered. It's unlocked. What do you have on Victor? What do you have on him? Got some cash. Put the wallet, yeah. Put that on top of my hood. We need medical for him, though. You got David 26. We get medical on that boy. 4 for the driver. I don't know. Well, y'all deep out here tonight. I'm glad we got y'all.